Welcome to Module 4. In this session, we will explore critical environmental topics including renewable resources, nuclear accidents, sustainable resource use, acid rain, climate change, and wasteland reclamation. Here are the topics we will cover today. Renewable energy is derived from natural sources like sunlight, wind, and rain. We will look at how we harness solar power, hydroelectric energy, and wind power to generate clean electricity. We also have biomass energy from plants, hydrogen fuel cells which are clean burning, and geothermal power that utilizes the Earth's internal heat. It is vital to manage our natural resources. Forests protect our watersheds and regulate the atmosphere, while water and mineral resources must be preserved against overexploitation and pollution. Nuclear energy is powerful but carries risks. We will examine the causes of nuclear accidents, such as meltdowns, and review historical disasters like Chernobyl and Fukushima, along with their devastating aftermaths. Sustainability means meeting our present needs without compromising the future. We must balance our consumption of renewable and non-renewable resources to maintain environmental quality. Pollutants like sulfur dioxide can cause acid rain, which harms aquatic life, forests, and even buildings. Reducing fossil fuel emissions is key to fighting this problem. We are also facing ozone depletion and climate change. Human activities are increasing greenhouse gases, leading to global warming, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Finally, we look at wasteland reclamation. By reclaiming degraded land through afforestation and better agricultural practices, we can restore soil fertility and support local communities.